We would like to give a special thanks to Spin Master for providing us with the Go Glam nail stamper. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Tamagotchi ON, the next generation of the interactive virtual pet for ages 6 and up. Whoa, this is totally different from the Tamagotchi that I had as a kid. It has a color screen. It connects to an app for more features. On the other side of the box, it says, "What will your Tama look like?" Build a family tree. On the back of the box, it says, "Nurture your Tamagotchi character and explore Tamagotchi Planet. Go from baby to child and teenager to adult. Enjoy lots of fun activities like games, eat, get pets, make friends, travel, and shop." At the bottom, it looks like there are 4 different ones you can collect. At Target, I found Fairy and Magic. These were $59.99 each. Yeah, that price is a lot higher than what I've paid in the past. But this is Tamagotchi ON, so it might be fancier. I feel like we should get dressed for the occasion. The Go Glam nail stamper by Spin Master will give us a cool makeover to match our Tamagotchi ON. I've seen this at Target for $24.97, and there was an additional pattern pack for $9.99. It comes in a sparkly bag with a nail file on the side. Let's open it up. It comes with 5 pattern pods, the nail stamper, 2 bottles of nail polish, and a top coat. The pattern pack comes with 2 more pattern pods, nail polish, and a top coat. Let's pick out a pattern. Ooh, the kitties are cute. And they totally remind me of Tamagotchi. Place it in the back of the nail stamper. Pick out a polish. Shake it well. Paint each nail with a thin coat. Wait 5 minutes and allow them to dry. Inside of the nail stamper, there's a small rest circle. Place your fingertip on the circle, then push down hard and quickly let go. Let's see if it worked. And it did! I have little kitty cats on my nail. After stamping all of your nails, apply a top coat. Allow it to dry for a Go Glam makeover. Now we are totally ready to check out our Tamagotchi ON. Let's take it out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, we have our Tamagotchi and a user guide. First thing we have to do is put in the batteries. It requires 2 AAA batteries that are not included. We have to use a screwdriver, so adult supervision is required. Batteries check. Now let's set the date and time. I have an egg! Okay, what do I do? Let's try pressing this button and see if something happens. Is something gonna happen? It went back to the time. Okay, we don't want time. How do I hatch my egg? Wait, it's cracking. It's opening. And I am about to hatch an egg. And I'm about to get my very first Tama. Okay, what is it? Do I have to help you? Wait, there it is. Yay, it hatched. It knows my name. Oh wait, it's sad. No, don't be sad. Okay, what do we do? What do we do? According to the user's guide, the buttons at the bottom are labeled A, B, and C. Use A to go to the main menu, and you can pick what you need here. This is profile setting, meal and snack, bathroom, connection, family, explore my town, travel to other town, item box, notebook, first aid kit. Now, as a baby, there are limited options, but I know that we need to feed it. So first, let's go and check out and see for sure what it needs. So we're gonna pick this. That's our select button, select profile, and it'll let me know. Okay, so my little Tamagotchi is not happy at all, and it's very, very hungry. So what I need to do is go back again. Let's scroll over to food, and pick something out of the fridge. Baby food, yeah, that should work. And it's going to eat the baby food. Look, it's eating it. Okay, let's give it some more. Wow, it's tearing that baby food up. How much baby food can it eat? This is like the 3rd serving so far. And another serving. Will it tell me when it's done? I think eventually it's got to get full. Right now it's just eating all the food. Okay, you just keep going. And that's another one. Oh, okay, yeah. It says I'm done. Okay, no more food for you. Maybe we should pick out some cookies. You want to eat cookies? Yep, there's always room for cookies. Now let's go back and check our meter and see if our little Tama is happy. No, you're still not happy. Okay, let's check the profile and see what we need to do. Oops, there we go. And let's see. Okay, so they're not hungry anymore, but they're not happy. All right, we can fix that. Snacks make them happy. All we have to do is go back to meal and snack, select it, go to the fridge, and this time we're gonna pick more baby cookies. And this should make our little Tama happy. All you have to do is feed them like 1 billion cookies. Yep. I feel like we're gonna spend most of our time just feeding this little tiny dumpling looking thing. I don't know what it is. It just looks like a little drop of something. A little drop of cuteness, right? Baby cookies. Will you tell me when you're full? It's like, I'll never be full of cookies. No such thing. And I think that's 100% accurate because it's still eating the cookies. Are you gonna do something else besides eat cookies? All right, let's go back and check to see if, oops, can't do restaurant. Let's go back and check to see if its little happiness meter has gone up. And oops, I passed it. One more time. Go through them all. Ah! All right, let's go out. Wait, you look happy? Look, it's happy. It's not crying anymore. So we must have did something right. It's jumping around the screen, looking very pleased with itself. But just to make sure, I do want to go check that meter. So I'm going to go to profile, select, go down, and okay, we're not totally happy yet, but we're out of the red. We're in the yellow, which is better than red. I'll take that. And we can even get it to eat one more serving of food. I really want my little Tama to be happy, so let's go ahead and let's go back. Let's go and feed it some more snacks. We want to go with the baby cookies because it loves the cookies and the cookies make it happy. This is gonna take me for a while. Let's just feed it cookies for a while and see what happens. I might have overfed it because it's really unhappy now and has a little icon above it that looks kind of like a skull or a ghost. I don't know. So let's go and see if we can help it out. There's a first aid kit in here. Let's pick that. Oops, wrong button. Okay, hold on. I can do this. Let's go back and pick the first aid kit. Select. And yay, it worked. Okay, they're happy now. Yay. We did it right. Okay, so yeah, that worked. First aid kit fixes everything. Let's go check that happiness meter right now and see what is going on. Happy, full, great. We're doing good here. Now let's take it to the bathroom because that is an option. You can take it to the toilet and, oh, I didn't like that idea. Okay, I'm sorry. Was not happy with the bathroom. How about a bath? Let's give it a bath. And select. Go down to the bath. Select that. And we're in the bathroom and there's rubber duckies and lots of bubbles and our little Tama's taking a bath. Yay! Okay, what is it doing now? Is it dancing? I don't know. It's got little wavy lines on the side of it. Oh, that's what you were doing. You just used the bathroom on my floor? Seriously? Okay, we have to clean that up. So let's go over here, go to the bathroom, and there we go. It's getting cleaned up. Didn't I just try to take you to the bathroom and you said no? You'd rather do it on my carpet? I wonder what pushing this button will do. Oh, it made it dance around a whole bunch. It's really happy. Okay. So pushing this button, they do something special from time to time. It's like really active right now. If I do it again, what happens? You just keep dancing around. Okay. All right. Dancing is the thing when I push the button. I get it. Whoa, we're in the blue now, so we're doing good. It's sleeping. And wait a minute, it looks like it's changed. Can I wake it up? Wake up. That button doesn't seem to do anything. Let's go to this one. Select that. Oh, wow, look at it. It's totally different. And it's hungry and it's not happy. Oh, man. Is it possible to feed it right now? Nope. It won't let me do anything while it's taking a nap. Rise and shine. It's the next morning and it's awake. It's not happy and it has used the bathroom on the floor again. After cleaning the mess, let's use the first aid kit again because it's not feeling well. There we go. First aid. Yay! Oh, better. Now let's grab something to eat. I know it's hungry, so let's go over to this area. Ooh, the restaurant is now open, so let's go there. We're walking through town. That is so cute. You can see the little buildings in the background. And here is the restaurant. We walked inside, and there's a little hostess. Welcome to our restaurant. Oh, what would you like to eat? Oh, this is so cool. Okay, let's get me some food. Follow the hostess over to the table. Wow, look at all this animation, and it's all colored. Okay, let's pick this. Yeah, we want a meal. Chow mein. Whoa, 120? Okay. And look, it's eating it. Oh, that is awesome. Okay, no, we're done here because this is just too expensive. No, thank you. Let's pick a snack this time. Wow, the snack is expensive. 110 for juice? No. We're gonna go back home. Let's pick the fridge. A rice bowl, yes, because that is way less expensive. And we're in our house and we're eating the rice bowl and it was free, so yay. We have a new snack, gelatin. Oh, that's so cool. Are there other snacks? Rice bowl or gelatin? Okay, we're gonna enjoy all of the gelatin we can get until our little Tamagotchi is happy again. We're back in the green. Our special move is... What are you doing? Oh, you're doing somersaults or you're jumping up and down and doing flips? That's so cool. And singing. Oh, we should be able to go outside now. So I press B and we're outside, but it's raining. Uh-oh, that's not good. You don't look very happy. Let's go back inside. Let's explore my town. We can go to the store. And it's still raining outside, but we're walking through our little town. And there's a store. Wow, welcome to the Tama shop. I can help you. I'm sorry, can I help you? That is so cool. Or we can choose game. Oh, we could play little games with our Tama. I'm surfing, and the games allow you to win gotchi points. I don't know exactly what the instructions are, but I'm just pushing the A button a whole bunch of times because it's making the bar at the top move. And he looks a little distressed, but I think it's working because he's still on the surfboard and he's not falling off. So yay, we got some gotchi points. There's a park where we can hang out with more of our little friends. Let's travel to another town. Is that the world sleeping? And I don't know what it's doing. It's dreaming. Okay, can we choose that? This is a new world. We just opened up a brand new space. And yay, it looks very happy. I unlocked the Tama Resort Island. We can go to the Tama Hotel. Do I bring anything? I don't have anything, so there we go. Oh, we're on a boat. And here we are at a brand new hotel where we can go and check out the garden. Lots of new friends. Speaking of new friends, Tamagotchis have Bluetooth, so we should be able to connect them. There's a little concert going on. Not sure if it worked, but the concert is pretty cool. There are a lot of places to go and things to do with your Tamagotchi, but I spend most of my time just feeding it. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Tamagotchi On. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
Something, get it right. Gonna keep on